Welcome to Share Talk, the only podcast where investors come first.
Hi, this is Zach Meir. I'm joined by Cathal Friel today, who is CEO at Open Orphan. Hi, how are you today, Cathal?
Zach, good to speak to you. Thank you very much. I'm pretty good, actually.
Okay.
How are you?
I'm okay. I'm just reading through your announcement today regarding a preferred partner agreement. Run us through that, please.
Yeah, look, Zach, very exciting. Look, the reason we in Open Orphan were keen to get our hands on Venn is Venn's a fabulous little company. It's kind of lost its way in the last 2 or 3 years. Didn't make money, but we're busy repositioning it to be a very sticky, reliable partner to the pharma companies. And really part of that was to move away from one-off short-term contracts, which makes it very difficult for the management team to guide the market and move into the kind of contracts you would be more familiar with, being brought in by our friend Brendan Buckley and Icon. The big pharma people get these big rolling 3-4 year contracts. So we just announced today Ipsen. No, it's not my job, it's the brilliant team in the Venn office in Paris have done this. They have a long working relationship with Ipsen, and really what it is now, they're now the preferred partner for the next 3 years. Not exclusively, but with maybe 1 or 2 other companies. And as the announcement says, they have already delivered substantial revenues as a result of this. Plan would be to have a good number of similar type contracts announced going forward, because it positions Venn as a very steady, reliable software advisor, partner, consultancy partner to big pharma. Does that kind of give you a feel and flavour of it?
Yeah, so these kind of deals, they bring in revenue, but they don't cost anything to get into motion. Is that right?
Oh, absolutely, yeah. You won't get them unless you have a long-term relationship and have skills and expertise. And the background to Venn acquired a small company in Paris many years ago called Cardinal Systems. They were an industry leader in Paris in this biostats, data management, clinical services. So no cost to getting in, but the bigger cost is you actually have to have skills and expertise to provide these services. And really what it's doing is giving the markets, giving the company, giving the staff 3 years visibility on revenue and work for the large companies such as Ipsen. But also from Ipsen's perspective, they're not continually looking for little one-off short-term contracts. They know now they have a preferred partner for delivering biostats and data management.
Yeah, I mean, one of the things about the whole pharma area, especially with retail investors, is that it tends to be something which they have difficulty understanding. You've reiterated on many occasions how important data is and big data is to the pharma industry. Could you just explain why this is, so important and so valuable?
Look, Zach, we've said numerous times, look, small and retail and small pharma has disappointed, because you hear life science and pharma, you think boom and bust. But we're trying to focus on, we're providing the picks and shovels, i.e. Venn and Open Orphan. Should be no boom, should be no bust, consistent growth. And then as regards data, small companies like Open Orphan and Venn, like our USP, we can be unique, we can manage data really well. And like going forward, the secrets to Glaxo, Pfizer, all the big pharma, they own the drugs. But being the people who provide the picks and shovels to making those drugs, and more importantly, being the people who provide the data, but can manipulate the data and work the data, such as Venn, is also hugely important. So I think getting an angle in data for a small consultancy, full service house like us is absolutely fabulous.
I mean, Venn is obviously one part of your business, and data is one part of your business. Can we expect similar deals across the other parts of your business?
Absolutely. Look, we kind of we're guiding the market as look, we're repositioning. Now, this is a process had been underway in Venn for some time. It takes time, and we would hope in the coming period in time, could be weeks, months, to announce similar contracts that will deliver substantial revenues with long-term contracts. So the plan would be, yes, more of the same, and getting away from this little one-off contract that's normally associated with small. And what Venn and Open Orphan doing, we're now acting and behaving at one of the big CROs such as Icon, Acuvia and Parexel, where you build long-term sustainable relationships and relationships who deliver substantial revenue on a weekly, monthly, annualized basis.
Cathal Friel, CEO at Open Orphan, thank you very much indeed.
Zach, it's a pleasure. Thank you very much for taking the time to talk to me.
Thank you for listening. Remember to visit our website for more news and other podcasts at www.share-talk.com.